So Ryan, right?
Yes, sir.
How many years you are here in this field?
10 years.
10 years. Wow. So how many years you are experienced here?
I'm almost 4 years.
4 years. Ah. So actually I'm here right now in Bilalanan. So they are very what's your good name, sir? Your good name?
Ryan Paul, Regina.
Ryan, okay. So I just visited randomly over here. So they are good actually in Binalana. They have lot of stuff for the motorbike and accessories. So I will highly recommend this gentleman. They have good prices and they have plenty of all the accessories and parts for the bikes. So thumbs up. And how many stars you want to get? 5 or 6?
10 stars.
10 stars. So I have to join 2 stars together, right? Alright, so wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. So thumbs up. Sorry, thumbs up, not thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica.
Ryan.
Ryan. Where is the other one?
Russell.
Okay, good luck, man. Thank you. So Ryan, right?
Yes, sir.
How many years you are here in this field?
10 years.
10 years. Wow.
Yes.
So this shop is 10 years old.
Yes.
Wow, that's good. And your personal, how long you are experienced? How many years?
4 years.
4 years. That's good.
That's
All right. Yes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I'm here actually in Binalana. This my friend for the repairing workshop over here. So he can do. He's a really good guy. He's very expert. He can all the electronics equipment, the home appliances. He's specialist. So I just bring out my stuff over here. So I have the microwave and the hot plate for roti maker. So before I was struggling for the wiring, so this gentleman he has arranged it. So I just wanted to know. Yes, bro. So you can tell about your how many years you are experienced here.
I'm almost 4 years.
4 years. Ah, that's good.
Service.
Okay. So mostly in the home appliances like refrigerator, AC, air condition, and this kind. Ah, that's good. So I will highly recommend this one, and I will share the location down below. So you can come in the London and you can come to right away. And he's very fast service. Yesterday I given him, but I was busy. I was away. He finished it in within no time. So really thumbs up for this gentleman. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.